like the first drops of rain that infuse life, like the first rays of sun that heralds a new day, ways fulfills instead. All ailments are now curable. Life is now more my future, better ease, and new challenges. I do not retreat, uncompromised tomorrow, because the wheels of my life are driven by a new technology. And this upgrade is called the Tata Motors BS6 range. A range that is designed with your numerous imaginations. And no, it's not just a regulation, but these vehicles are designed to your varied aspirations with best-in-class technology that leaves everyone behind, with comfort and convenience that's truly world-class. Vehicles that keeps you connected with your business 24/7 and equipped with world's best safety features. It's an all-new profitable proposition. Your change in business. With a comprehensive care of some poor saver. So now I have a prosperous today and a brighter tomorrow. With the all-new Tata Motors BS6 range. Tata Motors, Desh ke truck.